tweaking weather settings in X-Plane and run into an XGC file. This stores GRIB weather configuration parameters for the flight simulator's real-world weather system. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to open, edit, and manage these X-Plane GRIB configuration files. Just a heads up, when we get to our final point, the one-click fix, we'll be discussing the value of a single powerful XGC file inspection tool. An .xgc file is a configuration file used by the X-Plane flight simulator to define how it downloads and processes GRIB, gridded binary, weather data. Pilots and enthusiasts use these files to set up real-world weather conditions for their simulations, specifying parameters like wind, temperature, and pressure layers. The .xgc file is a plain text file, likely using a simple key-value pair or similar structured text format. This design choice makes it easily editable by users with a standard text editor, allowing for simple customization of weather data sources and parameters without needing a complex proprietary tool. The recommended application from Laminar Research for handling XGC is unequivocally X-Plane. The file is only recognizable by its name and size in Windows Explorer. Windows cannot validate their meaning, so incorrect edits can cause issues. Your first step towards full access, right-click the XGC file and select Open With. If X-Plane is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. If the XGC file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. We're skipping the panic and focusing on the facts. Let's quickly review the common technical reasons your system is reporting this specific XGC error. First, opening in text editor. Open the XGC file in Notepad++ Visual Studio Code or any plain text editor, since XGC files are human-readable configuration files. View the GRIB source URL's parameter mappings and weather processing settings. Make a backup copy before editing to preserve the original X-Plane default configuration if changes cause issues. Next, editing X-Plane settings. Modify XGC configuration values carefully, respecting the documented parameter ranges and syntax. Common edits include changing GRIB data sources, updating weather refresh intervals, or adjusting altitude layer definitions. Save the file in the X-Plane installation directory, typically under Resources or Output folders, for the simulator to recognize changes. Finally, restoring default configuration. If X-Plane weather behaves incorrectly, after editing, restore the default XGC file by reinstalling X-Plane or downloading a fresh configuration from the Laminar Research support site. Verify the XGC file location matches your X-Plane version requirements, and check the simulator log for GRIB processing errors after restart. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.